Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, Germany had a 6-star performance as they eased past Morocco to kickstart their Women's World Cup campaign today. Alexandra Popp broke the deadlock in the 11th minute of play. Popp then returned to strike once more in the 39th minute to double her team's advantage. Clara Bull joined in on the act, netting just a minute after the restart. And it became even worse for the Moroccan women as they suffered back-to-back own goals, with Leah Schuler sealing the win in the 90th minute. Meanwhile, fellow CONCACAF team Panama suffered a 4-0 defeat at the hands of Brazil. Ari Borges netted a World Cup debut hat-trick, scoring in the 19th, 39th and 70th minutes. Bia Zaneretto was the other goal scorer in minute 48. In the earlier match, Italy clipped Argentina by 1-0. Cristiana Girelli scored the winner in the 87th minute. Weather has delayed the start of day 5 of the second test between the West Indies and India at the Queen's Park Oval in Trinidad and Tobago. Having been set 365 to win, the Windies will begin at 76 for 2. Will begin the day at 76 for 2 in their second innings. They require a further 289 runs to win. Tejnarayan Chandapol, 24, and Jermaine Blackwood, 20, are the batsmen at the crease. Yesterday, captain Craig Brathwaite made 28, while a Jamaican debutant, Kirk McKenzie, failed to score. Ravi Ashwin has so far taken 2 for 33. Earlier in the day, the Indians blasted their way to 181 for 2 declared in their second innings to set the Caribbean side the 365 to win and level the series. Captain Rohit Sharma cracked his fastest 50 in Test cricket, making 57, while Ishan Kishan hammered 52 off 34 balls. Yashasvi Jaiswal also contributed 38. There was a wicket each for Shannon Gabriel and Jamel Warrican. India lead the 2-match series 1-0. Jamaica's Tiana Lee Terrelong secured the under-18 girls sprint double as the curtains came down on the 3-day NACAC under-18 and under-23 championships in Costa Rica on Sunday. Terrelong, the Edwin Allen standout, sped to a NACAC under-18 record 23.53 seconds to win the 200. She erased the previous record of 23.73, which was held by fellow Jamaican Alana Reid. Terrelong was one of 4 gold medalists for Jamaica on the final day. The under-23 men's 4x400 meter team took gold in 3 minutes 02.44 seconds. The under-18 boys 4x400 meter team also took gold in their event in 3 minutes 12.80 seconds. Romain Beckford, he had a best clearance of 2.21 meters to take gold in the under-23 men's high jump, while Rihanna Phipps registered 13.61 meters for gold in the under-23 women's high jump. Meanwhile, Ainsley McGregor with 21.70 was third in the under-18 boys 200-meter final, while Demar Francis posted 20.67 for second in the under-23 men's equivalent. Jamaica also secured silver in the under-23 women's 4x4, and Jamaica ended second overall on the medal table with 32 medals, including 13 gold, 14 silver and 5 bronze. The USA were top with 47 medals, including 23 gold. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shane?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.